CLN has taken the Fusion channel letter machine to a new level. The software has a new look. They have increased the speeds from the original factory settings to an incredible factor of 1200 inches per minute. This video will show you the new look, as many different editing tools are available. The pink circles in the letter represent a single drain hole. The green lines represent a leading tab. They have selected all the letters and pressed the Run Tool button. This job is now set to run one letter after another until the job is complete. When using a leading or a trailing tab, and the seam piece is in the center of the letter, a step-down bend is applied. With clamping jaws for sharp bends, and retractable exposing rollers for radiuses, an automatic shearing cycle for when the letter is done. The material is sheared off the coil and the next letter is ready to run. The next letter to be run will be the L. When this video finishes, each letter has taken an average of 2 minutes and 10 seconds to run. And with the shear at the end of the bending cycle, there is no wasted material.